Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Dreaming of studying abroad? Well, there are many scholarships for you to apply in your dream country. But if your dream country is China and want to study under CSC or Silk Road Scholarship, then this video is for you. Let's be honest, preparing the documents is really tiring. So, in today's video, I'll walk you through every document you need for the CSC, Chinese government, scholarship application step by step. Grab a notebook and note down everything. I already made video on CSC scholarship, both university and embassy track. Go through that for better understanding. Also keep in mind, the documents I am mentioning are those when you are applying for scholarship. Attestation of degrees is another topic and is after applying, okay? Without wasting any moment, let's get started. Okay, so number 1. You need an acceptance letter from Chinese university professor. It's optional but is valuable. Number 2 is a valid passport, of course. If you already have a passport, it should have validity at least more than 6 months. Well, in my opinion, if you still have more than 6 months, apply for renew just in case. But that's just my opinion. Number 3 is your bachelor's degree and transcript should be notarized. And same for the master's degree and transcript. Next up, number 4, a study plan or research proposal. Well, the number of words for this varies among university, and it states that what would you research and why you chose China. Moving on, number 5. You should have 2 recommendation letters from your previous institute. Keep in mind that recommendation letters should be from professor or associate professor. Number 6. Proof of language proficiency. For Chinese program, it's HSK, and for English it would require TOEFL, IELTS and English proficiency certificate from previous institute. Number 7. You should have physical examination form which states that you are mentally and physically fit. Number 8. We have non-criminal certificate that you don't have any criminal record yet. Number 9. Last but not least, you should have CSC application form. Fill out the application on CSC portal. Download the form and upload it on University Portal. Keep in mind that the documents you have uploaded on University Portal should be same as the CSC portal. These documents that I have mentioned are compulsory except for the acceptance letter. Well, I mention that because it can boost your application. There are also other documents you can mention like your publications or certificates, but it's optional. And that's a wrap. Preparing documents for the CSC scholarship may take time, but it's totally worth it. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more scholarship guides. Bye.